Wow! Ah! This is so cool! Oh my gosh! Ah! Sorry. Oops. Ah! Not this. Ah! Ah!
Step aside.
Sis, I can't wait to go on the slides.
Here they go again.
They'll ruin everything. Tyler almost saw me.
Hi, girls!
Hi, Tyler.
I have an idea, girls.
Quietly.
New rules? Mermaid tales?
It's our turn.
Well, rules are rules.
Attention! Only mermaid tails allowed inside!
Oh no, but I want to go on the slide too.
Our plan worked, Jess. Don't worry, sis. We'll figure something out. Let's go, quickly.
So, let's pick my outfit. Oh, this is unexpected. These shoes will definitely be in trend. Actually, they look comfortable. But they don't look like a mermaid tail, so no. Wow, this is actually stylish. I love white sneakers. Such a cute little skirt. Well, I'm obsessed, but it's still not it. This is interesting. An unexpected combination. But the dress is so cute. I'd like to see more. Wow, I love it. Such a beautiful tail and very soft ruffles. I think this is the one. Lali, feel it.
Sis, it suits you so well.
Now it's time to choose a hairstyle. Ooh, braids. I look so cute in them. They're beautiful, but I want to see more. This hairstyle is so elegant. I look like a princess. But for a mermaid, I need something else. Wow, a unique ponytail. I look so pretty with it. Close, but still not quite it. Now this hairstyle looks amazing. Such big braids. I'll be the most noticeable mermaid with this. And my heart is glowing.
Sis, your hairstyle is really cool.
Now it's time for mermaid makeup. First, wet the sponge with micellar water. And cleanse the face. The skin needs to be perfectly clean, just like mine. Now take blush on the brush. And make the cheeks brighter. There we go. It looks super cute. And now, my favorite part, eyeshadow. It's so sparkly. Don't forget the second eye. It's going really well. Now, mascara. Always be careful with this. Just a little more. How does it look? I think it's great. Don't forget the eyebrows. Be careful not to overdo it. Like this. And of course, lipstick. Soft pink is perfect for this. Great color. I always add lip gloss on top. It really makes it shine. Isn't it better? And of course, more glitter. So beautiful! Even my heart agrees.
I think you look very beautiful.
Only accessories left. Let's see what's in this box. Wow! Cute heart-shaped glasses. They're cute, but don't match the outfit. Let's check another box. Look at this! Fish-shaped earrings! So cute! But I still need something else. Let's see this one. What is this? A spiky bracelet. I don't think it fits the look. Last box. Let's see. Wow, you won't believe it! A pearl tiara! It's absolutely gorgeous. And here's the proof.
Sis, this look is absolutely amazing.
It's so hot. Entrance only with tails.
Well, so we can go through?
Finally, someone. Go ahead.
Yay!
She's so beautiful!
Magnificent.
What?
She's so beautiful.
Lulu is always the best. Are we watching this for free?
Them again! My patience is gone! Plan B.
Got it, boss.
Now they'll pay.
Which button do I press? This one.
What's happening over there?
Oh, what's going on with their pool?
Ah!
Is that Jessica over there?
Awesome!
Girls, your pool broke? Come over here.
Now that's fun.
Lulu, you were the best today. I want a mermaid tail too.
Lame.